have confirmed that these people are fake and they want to go away with your money. So you need to be very careful. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun Digital, and if today is the first time joining my channel, I just want to thank you so much for coming around to watch my video. And if you're part of the family, you're a subscriber, I just want to thank you so much for coming again to watch my video. In today's video, as we all know that AAS, which is Afriq arbitrage system, is an automated trading platform which you can earn from 1.5 to about 10% daily on rotational. Okay, now this platform is doing a lot, and also you can also know that a lot of people say, what is the minimum you can start with when you want to invest on the platform? The minimum is just $20, and which is USDT on Tron network. All right, and also know that no referral is needed. We all know this, and if you don't know this, know it now. All right, as if this is not enough, we know that because a lot of people are now, like, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to even put the word. If you check here, you're gonna see like 3 websites here, the same arbitrage, right? The same website. So I'm gonna show you something different. If you check this one, it says https // Afriq arbitrage.us. Then we have this one. All right, https // Afriq arbitrage.website. all right, then the other one also says okay, the other one is Afriq-arbitrage.com. Now let me show you the difference between these sites. If you come to this one, you will know that the original website is this, which is .us. all right, .us is the original website. Afriq-arbitrage.us, that is the original website. And if you check the interface very well, you will know that the first thing you see is the logo, then sign in, then you're gonna see something like email, password, and all. Okay, then if I go to the next one, which is this, can you see this? This is a trash. This is, you can see Afriq-arbitrage.website. you can see login your account to receive bonus. Afriq AAS is not giving anybody bonus, so don't fall victim of these guys that want to collect your money. Do you see that they make it look exactly like AAS websites? So you should be very careful to log into any account online. If anybody send you any link, be careful, ask question, go search before you sign up and put your money in the system. You can see very clear that this website, it's a different one from the one I just showed you, which is the original. This is .website, that is .us. okay, as if that is not enough, if you also go check the last one here, put here, you can also see the same thing right here, the logo, sign in, email, password, then login. Afriq-arbitrage.com. there's no dash in AAS platform. AAS platform is without dash. So don't go and search randomly on Google looking for, oh, somebody told me about it, let me go and check on Google and sign up. No, don't go and sign up on Google, because you can fall victim of all these fake ones. You know, when we have original, there will be fake. If you see any fake things, then there is an original. There is an original for it. Okay, so what you need to know is these people are trying to use the same name to defraud people and get away with their money. So you need to be very careful if you want to sign up with AAS. There is a link in the description box of this video. Go ahead, use the link to register. Don't search randomly on Google. Don't search randomly on Google. Okay? Don't just go to Google and search randomly. It's not okay, because you can lose your money. You never know which one you're gonna come across again tomorrow. I just said, okay, let me go through Google, let me just see AAS, and I started seeing all of these things. I've confirmed that these people are fake and they want to go away with your money. So you need to be very careful. You need to be careful what you search on Google. If you're looking for AAS, use the link in the description box of this video. The link is for you. So when you use the link, that's an original link. All right, so if you go on Google randomly now, let's search on Google. Let's search Afriq. All right, let's just search it on Google. The first one that is going to pop up here is not original AAS. You can see it's even carry.us, right? But this is the actual link. This is the actual link. Can you see that? So you need to be very careful. Let's open it. Let's see what we have there. All right, let's just see what we have there. Okay, so you can see what we have there. Afriq Arbitrage.us. The road.us as if is the correct website. You should be careful, please, guys. Don't go easy. They even put their WhatsApp link so that you can join the WhatsApp group and all. You should be very careful how you search randomly for AAS. I'm going to drop the link again in the description box of this video. Check the link, use the link if you want to register. $20 is just what you need. $20 is the minimum of what you need to get started. No referral needed. You just need $20 to get started, and it's an automated arbitrage trading platform. Okay, so guys, be careful, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it so that more people can know about this, that there are a lot of fake arbitrage outside try to copy AAS. Okay, so, and don't also forget to subscribe if you're yet to do so, and turn on the notification bell till I come your way again. Bye for now. Thank you.